Let's make Smuggler's Cove's version of Demerara syrup. The recipe in Smuggler's Cove gives very specific cups. And this is a rinse simple syrup, so it's going to be 2 parts sugar to 1 part water. So they ask for 2 cups of water, 1 cup of Demerara syrup, and 3 cups of white sugar. That's going to create a lot of syrup. I don't want that much, so I'm going to cut that in half. So I'm going to be doing half a cup of Demerara, 1.5 cups of white, and 1 cup of water. I'm going to measure all that out and I'll be right back with you. So we have 1/2 cup of Demerara sugar and 1.5 cups of white sugar, granulated sugar. Normally I'd put these in the saucepan at this point, but Smuggler's Cove specifies how you cook this as well. So I'm going to leave it out for now and we're going to go over to the stovetop. I'll be right back with you. So here we're at the stovetop. I'm going to put my 1 cup of water into the saucepan and I'm going to turn up the heat and boil the water. I'll be right back with you when this is boiling. Now that my water is boiling, I'm going to add my Demerara sugar. I'm going to whisk until that dissolves. I'll be right back with you. Now that that's dissolved, I'm going to add my white sugar and do the same thing. Now that all the sugar is dissolved, I'm going to remove it from the heat. And I'm going to let it cool to room temperature. We'll see in a moment. Now that the syrup is cool, there's only one thing left to do. Bottle, label, refrigerate. So I'm going to pour this in my Quadra bottle. Quadra? I forget. You don't have to use fancy bottles. You can use mason jars or something instead. So, masking tape. And we have SC for Smuggler's Cove, Demerara, 2-to-1. If it's Smuggler's Cove Demerara, it's always going to be 2-to-1. And the date today is June 6th, 2025. And there you have it, Smuggler's Cove's recipe for Demerara syrup. Enjoy.